I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare oregano oil versus bacteria. We'll explore how this natural oil, derived from the oregano plant, interacts with various bacterial strains. You'll learn about its powerful active compounds, like carvacrol and thymol, which are known for their strong antimicrobial effects. We will delve into the mechanisms by which oregano oil works to inhibit bacterial growth and even eliminate harmful microorganisms, offering a fascinating look at its potential. Oregano oil primarily targets bacteria by disrupting their cell membranes. The phenolic compounds, especially carvacrol, penetrate the bacterial cell, causing it to lose vital ions and molecules. This leakage severely compromises the cell's ability to function and reproduce. Essentially, it creates holes in the bacterial defenses, leading to cell death. This broad-spectrum action makes it effective against a wide range of bacterial types. Research indicates oregano oil's effectiveness against several common bacterial pathogens. For instance, studies have shown its ability to inhibit the growth of E. coli, a common cause of food poisoning, and salmonella. It also demonstrates activity against Staphylococcus aureus, a bacterium often associated with skin infections. Furthermore, some investigations suggest its potential against certain antibiotic-resistant strains, highlighting its significant antimicrobial promise. In conclusion, oregano oil stands out as a potent natural agent in the fight against bacteria. Its active compounds, particularly carvacrol and thymol, provide a powerful mechanism for disrupting bacterial integrity and inhibiting growth. While promising, it is crucial to remember that oregano oil is a concentrated substance. Always seek advice from a healthcare professional before incorporating it into any health regimen to ensure safe and appropriate use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.